In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to LinkedIn. We'll start by opening n8n, head to n8n.io and sign in to your workspace. Once your canvas is open, create a new workflow so you're looking at a blank canvas. You'll see a prompt to add your first node. Go ahead and click Add First Step to open the node selector. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. When the LinkedIn node appears, click it to add it to your workflow. By default, this node expects you to choose what you want to do, often called actions. Select actions so the node knows you're planning to perform LinkedIn operations like posting, retrieving data, or managing pages, depending on your permissions. Before the node can run, it needs a secure way to talk to your LinkedIn account. Look for the field labeled credential to connect with and open the drop-down. This is where n8n stores authenticated connections so you can reuse them safely across workflows without exposing passwords or tokens. Because this is your first time connecting LinkedIn here, click Create New Credential. n8n will ask which type of LinkedIn credential you want. You'll see two options, Standard and Community Management. Standard is the most common choice for personal account actions and general LinkedIn API access. Community Management is geared toward managing LinkedIn pages and community interactions. For most use cases, choose Standard. Now click Connect My Account. A LinkedIn window will open. If you're not already signed in, log into LinkedIn, then review the access request. Make sure the requested permissions align with what you intend to automate, like creating posts or reading profile data. Approve the request to complete the secure OAuth handshake. This process keeps your credentials safe and lets you revoke access from LinkedIn at any time. Once the connection succeeds, you'll return to n8n with your new credentials selected. Click Save to store it. Saving finalizes the link between your workflow and LinkedIn, so the node can authenticate every time it runs. At this point, your LinkedIn node is connected and ready. You can proceed to configure the specific action you need, set input fields, and integrate it with other nodes in your workflow. If you manage company pages, ensure your LinkedIn account has the right admin role. Otherwise, certain actions won't be available. Also keep in mind LinkedIn's rate limits and policies to avoid interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully connected n8n to LinkedIn and you're ready to automate